We are pleased to show you the 2016 E-Class. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, rear fog light, braking assist. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.